Hi, I'm Ladi and we are currently traveling with my wife in Mexico. I'm riding our latest motorcycle called Havoc, so you can come with me for a casual local exploration.
Cool. I think we're set. Hopefully we won't have any issues. Okay, this is going to be interesting because we're entering this town we're staying by, and we can take a look at the how locals live. I love this type of adventure. Seeing different cultures, seeing this down-to-earth life, not like the tourism bubble, but actually the authenticity of the place. I love this. Okay. This is interesting. Casa della Cultura. Church, good. People always seem to be very confused seeing this bike, which I'm not surprised at all. It is very... Oh yeah, that's the bridge. Cool. Wow. This is beautiful on the other side. You can't even see us. It's hidden behind the houses. And all the palm trees along the river. This is like a full-on little oasis. Wow. It's very impressive. So far, I have to say, I've been a big fan of Mexico. Especially for the food. Okay, this doesn't even look like part of the same town. It looks like a completely separate district. So maybe I'll just take a side road and see where this takes us. Might even follow this guy. That's interesting. A little workshop, love it. Wow, this looks like it's going straight to somebody's backyard. Yeah, probably not the best place to go. Yes, I'm leaving, yes. Okay, let's try this one. There's a lot of street dogs, that's for sure. That goes pretty far. We'll see if it goes all the way to the ocean. We noticed a lot of people retire in this town, which makes sense. It's much cheaper for Americans to drive down here. I think it's like 10 hours drive from the border. And then money obviously take people much further. And the lifestyle, I could imagine this as a preference. It's very close to me. I would rather prefer this than a crowded city, but obviously we both, with my wife, enjoy the benefits of fast shipping and all the other options like culture that you get in the city. So it's like a good balancing act, I think. And phases in life for sure. Where does this go? Yeah, that's the lighthouse. That's where we camp. This is such a paradise. Unbelievable. It was really surprising crossing the border. And I've never been to Mexico, so for all of you guys being familiar, obviously this is old news, but for me it's just very surprising how big economical difference is immediately obvious. That's why they keep talking about a border, right? I guess. Wow, these houses have premium location. Very nice. That looks like a little bit different Mexico here. That's awesome. It's nice setups. Palm trees, nice houses. Looks like good options. This is pretty killer. Could imagine spending a season of my life in here. Oasis Rio, Baja. Very cool. Okay. So if you're guys wondering about this bike I'm riding, that's our own brand. We built this. This is called Havoc. Our company is called My Super E-Bike, and we're currently rebranding. The new branding is going to be Voltic. So we've been manufacturing these. This one particular is pretty incredible. Look, this 3D printed door. We have a charging cable in there. Charges in 80 minutes. 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Maximum speed is around 75 miles per hour or 135 kilometers an hour. The range depends on the riding style. The way I'm riding now would be probably like 60 miles per charge. But charging is pretty killer. It's like 1 mile per minute when charging. So fully charged in 80 minutes. And then you can do 80 miles when you're riding a little bit reasonably. It all depends on the riding style with these electric motorcycles, because the consumption completely changes based on how fast you're twisting the throttle. Okay, I'm not sure if I can go any higher. That dog is for biting my boot. No, leave me alone. Luckily these are hard boots, so it probably didn't bite through it, but I felt it. Let's go down. Regenerative braking. Regenerative braking in action. So on this bike we have the signal levers. So the slight little this one. What was I saying? Yeah, we have the signals on these brakes. So obviously normally the signal is used to turn on the light, the brake light, but the way we use it is also regenerative braking. On the other models, we have the lever on the left thumb for regen, which I'm a big fan of, and we already have pretty clustered handlebars on this bike because of all the controls. So we decided to go this way with the signal levers only, and it's pretty incredible. I like it a lot. It's good. So just to wrap it up, what I was just doing, we at this point with this setup we have unlimited access to power because we have 1 kilowatt solar power, we have 13 kilowatt hour battery pack. We pretty much run these bikes all the time with no need to be powered in a grid or anything else. What do you think about the setup?
Into it.
She's into it.
Deeply into it.
It's good, we like it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the simple video. That was for the first time me exploring this place, and we're gonna be traveling around for quite a bit, so it always will be some new locations, and this is a way you can explore with me. So if you like it, subscribe to the second channel because we'll be publishing more casual videos like this one.